Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, also known as Mrs. Archiver, and in today's episode we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks. If you want to plan with me, then stay tuned. All right lovelies, can you guess what theme we're going to be doing for the Hobonichi Weeks plan with me? I mean, I'll just give you a wild guess. It is going to be Disney villains. So if you had seen last week's episode, then you will already know what we're going to be planning for this week. And just to double check, I want to say we're planning for the week of the 27th. No way, are we? Of course, every person always says, I can't believe. Yeah. Wait, no, just kidding. Yeah, no, dude. Wow. Okay, I'm a little shocked. So yeah, the 27th through the 3rd, July 3rd. Woo! January 2nd, let's see, 01. So on the 1st of July is actually the date that I met my husband in 2012. Ain't that cute? Mom, yay. He's put up with me for 10 years. I don't know why he sticks around. Let's see. Oh, I need to take this out, but where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay. It's just easier to plan in it if I take it out. So I am glad that you guys help keep me accountable of doing this every week. So that way I will be in my planner. And look at that. It's going to be a new moon. I really need to study of moon phases, but I haven't. All right, let's get into the planning. All right, just to go along with the villains theme, let me stay hydrated. You know the drill. Grab your favorite drink, get your planner, and let's get started. These are the items that I will be using. I have some washi here. I have these stickers I've had forever and a day that I'm going to use. Some financial stickers. This is the pen that I'm going to be using. And this is the villain that I will be planning in my planner. And then I also have a few pieces of magazine. Oh, I thought I had 3. I have a couple of pieces of magazine cut out that I plan on using because I really loved this and I feel like it flows with that. The week of the 27th. Week number 26 of the year. Let's see. Some tools. All right, I'm gonna set this right here. And let's pick a color. I really did like how this one came out. Every time I open it, I don't think you guys can see it, but it has a nice shimmer. I had taken my Hobonichi Weeks with me somewhere, I forgot where it was, and I opened it up and I saw the little shiny and I was like, oh, I like that. I want to keep up with that. I want to grab my pins and let's take a look. I did use this one last week. It's a magenta color, so I think the closest one, it looks like this one will go. I really need to do some swatches. I've been putting it off and putting it off. Not that I've been putting it off, I've been procrastinating. Guys, on doing ink swatches. I had a lovely friend that ended up gifting me some inks, beautiful inks, and I have yet to do any swatches of them in a book or anything, and I feel bad because they're there and I want to play with them. And I don't know, man, these past couple of days have just been really low energy. I've just been not feeling it. Even for, I'll be honest, for this video, I was kind of pushing myself because I was like, I need to do this. I told myself that I would be consistent. I told myself that I would keep doing this. Now, if there is like really like something comes up and I'm really not able to, I mean, I will let you know in the community tab on my YouTube channel if I am going to not be able to upload for some reason or do a video. And of course, ooh, it just smeared. Or of course, on my Instagram, which you can follow me on my Instagram at Mrs. Archiver. And I'm pretty frequent on there. I keep up with that one a lot. I'm pretty active, in other words. I'm pretty active on there. I'm gonna just get a piece of paper and I'm gonna fold it. And I'm going to do this. So I will blot the paper. Okay, cool. Well, I guess I didn't need to. I don't know how quickly it dries. And I just didn't want to take the chance. So how are you doing this week? What's new? Put it in the comments. Did you achieve anything this week that you're really happy about? And when I say achieve something, it does not have to be big. It can be small. It could be I got out of bed. It could be I took a shower, because sometimes, you know, if you're having one of those down days, even taking a shower can seem like a lot of work. And I am not judging here. Because I've had some days that I'm just like, ooh, it's hard, you know? Especially in this day and age with all of the stuff going on in the world, which I'm not going to really go into, and I'm not going to do that because I want my space to be a nice little getaway, even if it's just for a few minutes. Oh, look at that. See, that worked. Wow, that worked big time. Okay, cool. Let's do this. I haven't done like a little bit of journaling in a while as far as like decorating, and I really wanted to do that with you guys. I want you guys to know that, like, for example, if you didn't have any washi, man, I used to use quite often just paper, just magazine strips for the longest time. And there is nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna put that there because then I'm gonna run that through in just a minute. I'm gonna pull the other side, and then this will now become a sticker. Ooh, careful not to cut. I'm gonna rub that down. And now we have our own little handmade washi. Like that. I have actually two little trash cans. I have one that's just straight up trash, and then I have another one that is for recycle. And now this is all nice and sticky. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have a heart attack over here. Laying down the stickers, yo. Okay, there we go. I have to remember, when you're doing that, you saw how it like curled, right? Well, you want to curl, I forgot about this. You want to curl the paper, not the magazine. And see, that will keep it more straight than it having a curl. And then we're just gonna line this bottom and just place it on like so. I want to have this, like, I have this vision of Maleficent. Don't be afraid to rip the paper, except I always feel bad if I'm gonna rip the head off. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Okay, so I love this flowiness. So I'm just going to fussy cut this out. And if you don't know what fussy cutting is that you're just cutting it by hand. I don't mind if it's not perfect. Oop, there's a little bit of sticky on that. And let's see. I don't know if I want to cover all that, but let's see. Okay, I don't want, this is a clear sticker, so I don't want her face to be pink. And so now, whoop, static guys. The static, yo, oh my gosh. Okay, the static, it just wants to go. All right, sometimes it was Maleficent's doing. She was like, nah, I want to be here. You have to be careful with some static like that, okay? It happens, it happens. Put these pieces aside. Oh, nice in the trash. And we're gonna want to put that there. So let's get some sticky. I'm gonna be using this permanent adhesive. It's a Tombow. Everything that I use as far as tools will be linked in the description below. I put that right there, and there you go. Yes, her hand is pink, but it is what it is, because apparently she just wanted to be there. And I really, really like these little splatters. I think they're super fun. And I want to put something here. I'm going to put Feeling Wicked right on this, right there. Put some more random there. I'm going to put Dare to Begin because I need to stay on track. Dare to Begin, and I can put notes or to do, current mood. I definitely wanted to add this, and I'm just going to put it randomly here. Current mood, meh, okay, villainous, or extra. I'll let you know. I'm always extra, just saying. I need to put for finances. I like to put at the very bottom, what the total will be. And I'm going to use a black pen for this one. Finance. I like to do the highs and lows. Which is my weather. I like to do the weather. I do want to put some goals. So I can write a couple of goals right there. And I'm actually going to separate this area right here. Something that I want to try. Hold on, I'm trying to find that grid. Yeah, the grid's right. And I'm just going to lightly do a light little pencil mark, not too heavy, just so that I can have a line for this area. And I wanted to add some shiny. I get a little sticker happy of laying all the stickers, and wow, that fit really good, and that was totally by accident. All right, guys, check it out. I know, like, once you start putting down the stickers, it's like boom, boom, boom. It takes longer of me just yapping at you guys. Just talking and yapping with y'all than it takes to actually set up the week. But I hope that you find these videos fun, and if you do, don't forget to like and comment so that way other people can find my videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification if you want to be a part of the community and get notified every time I post new videos. Now it's going to be a sneak peek of next week's episode. So next week's theme is going to be Moon Babe. I have some that are cut out because I have used some of these before and I love them, and I want to do a weekly spread next week. So that is something that you can look forward to. I am a part of the PR team for Raw Element, so if you do decide you want to get anything from Raw Element, feel free to use my code Amanda15 to save 15% off your purchase. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. So until then, have a wonderful day.